Let him sleep.
I'm dead.
Well, they're giving him a ticket.
Is he wearing a mask?
That's I really said no.
Wow, imagine.
I really said no.
Bitch vibe.
What the hell?
Bitch vibe.
Bitch.
Psych, get the fuck out of there.
It's like, you're my baby daddy.
What?
Sorry.
Throw baby.
We made it. Let's see if they're nice inside. Let's see if they're nice. Alright, I have to pick up some earrings. The red is so cute though. Super cute. Now this is the Monclesi Rick Owens. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing Vivienne Westwood Earrings. Super cute. Let's see. So inside the bag, you just get the receipt, which comes in a little cute envelope. And everything is made out of very sustainable materials. So let's see how much the earrings were. Were $190 plus tax, $16 tax, so $206 total. So let's go ahead and open up the box. And you get an authenticity card that is written by them in the moment. So the person who works there should write where it was, the date, and then you get like a little handbook. So inside of this little booklet, you get a little cute little moment. If it's handmade, what to do with it, costume jewelry, what to do with it, and yeah, it's like a little hello. They look cuter in this lighting than in the sun. So yeah guys, those are the earrings, super cute, added to the collection. Look, they be shining. Make sure to comment what next purchase I should do and whatever you guys want to see. And your favorite kind of looks that you want to see shown on somebody. Because I know sometimes people don't show things and that you may want to see.
Bitches always in my body. Bitches always on my body. Bitches is always on my body. I am that bitch that you get always